Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you about problem when you can't install Instagram on your phone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just check your internet connection, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again, and do it with mobile data. Just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. And if it doesn't help you, you can also just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, you can also try another way, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to go to App Store, just open your Instagram app and just check compatibility with your phone. So also you can find it, just scroll down and here you will see compatibility works on this iPhone. So just check requires iOS 12 or later. So here you can see what iOS you need to have on your iPhone to successfully install this app. So this is a way how you can also check it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.